Monday Moment with Mary Petruzzi.
Hey everybody, this is Mary Petruzzi with Team Petruzzi at Remix at the Crossing. I thought I would show you a little bit tip if you have an electric cooktop and how you keep it clean. Because whether it's your own personal home or you're looking at a home to purchase, it is something that does stand out and it makes an impression. So I hope you find this helpful.
The first thing you'll need is a glass cooktop cleaner and then a scrubbing pad. The most important thing to remember about the scrubbing pad is to not use it on any other projects in your house because you'll carry residue and or grease to the cooktop and you won't get the same results. Before you start using the cooktop cleaner, get some 409 or soap and water and remove any grease so it makes the process more simple. Now just squeeze some of the cleaner directly on the cooktop and just use circular motions with your scrubbing pad until everything is completely off your cooktop and nice and clean. I hope you found this Monday Moment helpful. For more information on this video, contact Mary at teampetruzzi.com.